Hey Stackers, we have now added an interesting improvement in our Embed apps in Stackby. So now you can add Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, and embeds from any other interesting apps directly in Stackby. Now let's see how it works. You go to your apps marketplace. I've created a, if I click here, I can see I can embed anything via URL including stacks and views. So in this case, I've added a Google Sheet URL. You can get this from the share icon here. You have to keep this open. The general access should be anyone with the link with an editor access or a viewer access, depending on how you want to embed this. You copy this link and add it to the Embed app here. Once you do, you will see your Google Sheets will be loaded in Stackby. You can also edit this right inside the Stackby platform. Now the same goes with Google Docs. You go to your Google Docs, click on the share icon, general access anyone with the link, with the viewer access or editor access. Done. You copy that link and you add it here. Once it's done, the content from the Google Docs, and you can directly edit your Google Docs from the Embed app in Stackby. So if I say write Rachit Khator here, you will see that the cursor is here. Now, the same way, if I want to embed my Google Slides, I can easily do that too. Click on the share icon. Anyone with the link, with a viewer or an editor access, you copy this link and you add it here. So you can see your slides get loaded. And we can even edit those slides or just keep it view only. You can also embed your views, your Stackby views in the Embed app. So you take one of the views, you copy it. Let's just add an Embed app. And apply. So I can see my view is loaded right here. I can see my dashboard like this. I can just change how my embed resources would look. So here we have also embedded a gallery view, and this is embedding a Google Doc. So let's remove one of the embeds and add another one. So this time I'll embed from one of our analytics partners called Chartbrick. So we've recently integrated with Chartbrick. You can create your own custom charts on top of Stackby data. I can copy the embed link from Chartbrick and add it here. So you will see charts from Chartbrick will be loaded automatically. So these are all real-time embeds. So whatever you change in the respective platform will be visible here as well. So feel free to use this Embed app and take your Stackby dashboards to the next level. Cheers.